But I don't have to hold it in, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Okay. Her face, I'm not supposed to, well, yeah, a little bit.
You want me to like do the whole thing? You know, tape the whole thing, like don't turn it on
You
at
said
all?
you wanted to tape it. I don't care to tape it. She's gonna scream and cry. Oh, goodness. Guess what we forgot? A binky.
Don't need it.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's just do your tummy and your arms while we're here. What do you think? Oh, crap. We can't get the umbilical cord wet. We can't get the umbilical cord wet. Okay, you are too strong. Okay. 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 Let's do this one. Let's do this one next. Under the arms. Okay. Wash you off and then we'll do your back. It's not that bad, is it? Okay, maybe it is, huh? Maybe it is. Okay. Okay, look at you. No, don't want to hear it, do you? Do you? Just for a second. I shouldn't want it.
Right.
You'll get used to this, I think.
Not even crying.
Okay, let's wash your back. Let's wash your back. Uh-oh. Hang on. Hang on a second. Let's flip you over. Okay. Just gonna wash your back real quick. Oh, good. Doesn't that feel good? Oh, looky there, huh? That feels good. It's nice and warm. Okay. All done with your back. See? Oh, dear. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Here, hold on to that. Hold on to that. I'll clean your bottom. Oh, look at that. Somebody went booties. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Yeah. Doesn't that feel good? It's not real soapy, is that okay? Okay. Okay. done. We're like halfway there. Oh, the pigs. Oh, get the pigs. Okay, here's the rough part. Here's the tough part. Okay. He's on your diaper. Okay, let's watch.